Gas prices are climbing, and your fuel-efficient car is starting to feel like a gas guzzler. But what if we told you there are simple, inexpensive ways to boost your car's miles per gallon without spending a fortune on upgrades? In this video, we'll show you 5 cheap ways to improve your car's MPG so you can stretch every drop of fuel and save money at the pump. Let's get started. 1. Check and maintain your tires. First up, let's talk about something that's incredibly easy to overlook: tire pressure. Did you know that underinflated tires can decrease your car's fuel efficiency by up to 3%? When your tires are underinflated, the rolling resistance increases, which means your engine has to work harder to keep the car moving. This leads to lower fuel economy. It's simple physics. More resistance equals more energy needed. The good news is that this is one of the easiest fixes. Keeping your tires properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels can increase your MPG and save you money without any major effort. Make sure to check your tire pressure at least once a month. It's a cheap, quick way to improve your car's fuel efficiency and keep your tires lasting longer. 2. Use the right motor oil. Next, let's talk about something that can improve fuel efficiency in a heartbeat: using the right type of motor oil. Choosing the correct oil for your engine is often overlooked, but it plays a big role in how efficiently your car runs. Using the wrong motor oil, especially one that's too thick, can cause friction and reduce engine efficiency. When you use oil that's too thick for your engine, it makes the engine work harder, which leads to lower fuel economy. When choosing motor oil, make sure to refer to your car's owner's manual for the recommended viscosity grade. Using the right oil for your engine ensures optimal performance and maximum fuel efficiency. Switching to a synthetic or high-quality oil can also reduce engine friction and improve fuel efficiency over time. It's a small investment that can pay off with big savings at the pump. 3. Keep your engine tuned and running smoothly. A well-maintained engine is key to fuel efficiency. If your engine isn't running smoothly, it could be wasting fuel. Keeping your engine tuned up can make a significant difference in how efficiently your car uses gas. Regular maintenance, such as changing air filters, cleaning the fuel injectors, and ensuring that the spark plugs are working efficiently, can boost fuel efficiency. Even something as simple as a dirty air filter can reduce your MPG by as much as 10%. Getting regular tune-ups, including replacing spark plugs and checking your engine's timing, ensures your engine runs at its best. A well-tuned engine doesn't have to work as hard, which directly translates into better fuel efficiency. A clean and well-maintained engine burns fuel more efficiently, reducing waste and improving your overall MPG. It's a simple and cost-effective way to keep your car running at its best. 4. Lighten the load. Here's another simple way to boost your car's fuel efficiency: lighten the load. We all tend to accumulate stuff in our cars, whether it's bags, tools, or sporting equipment. But carrying extra weight can hurt your MPG. Every 100 pounds of extra weight can reduce your car's fuel efficiency by about 1 to 2%. While this doesn't sound like much, it adds up over time. If you're carrying unnecessary items, your engine has to work harder, which lowers your fuel economy. So take a few minutes to clear out your car. Remove any unnecessary weight, especially heavy items that you don't need on a daily basis. Keeping your car as light as possible improves MPG and reduces engine strain. Additionally, avoid carrying heavy roof racks or cargo boxes when they're not in use. The extra drag on your vehicle can reduce fuel efficiency by as much as 5%. 5. Drive smarter, not harder. Last but not least, one of the cheapest and easiest ways to improve your car's MPG is by changing your driving habits. Aggressive driving, like speeding, rapid acceleration, and hard braking, can significantly reduce your car's fuel efficiency. Driving aggressively causes your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. In fact, you can improve your MPG by up to 30% just by adopting smoother driving habits. Try to drive more smoothly by accelerating gently, avoiding sudden stops, and maintaining a steady speed. Using cruise control on highways is also a great way to keep your car's speed consistent and improve fuel efficiency. Also, try to avoid idling for long periods. If you're stopping for more than a minute, it's often more fuel efficient to turn off your engine and restart it when you're ready to go. Incorporating these smarter driving habits into your routine will not only save you money but also help your car last longer and stay in better condition. 6. Regularly change air filters. Next up is a simple yet often overlooked tip: regularly changing your air filter. A clean air filter is essential for optimal engine performance, and it can significantly impact your car's fuel efficiency. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow to your engine, making it work harder to pull in the air needed for combustion. This leads to inefficient fuel burning and poor gas mileage. Replacing the air filter ensures that the engine receives the right amount of air, improving combustion efficiency. It's a quick and affordable fix that can improve your car's fuel economy by 6 to 10%. A new air filter ensures your engine gets the clean air it needs to run efficiently and save fuel. Most air filters are inexpensive, and replacing them is a straightforward task that takes just a few minutes. It's something you should check every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. 7. Keep your car light and aerodynamic. Our final tip is about reducing drag and weight, two factors that directly affect fuel efficiency. Keeping your car as light and aerodynamic as possible can have a big impact on your MPG. If you frequently use a roof rack or cargo box, make sure to remove it when you don't need it. A roof rack creates extra drag, which reduces your car's fuel efficiency by forcing the engine to work harder to maintain speed. Additionally, try to avoid overloading your car. Every extra pound your vehicle carries requires more energy to move. For example, removing heavy items from your trunk or back seat can help improve fuel economy. Aerodynamic features like spoilers or side skirts can also help reduce drag, but these tend to be more useful for high-speed driving. For everyday use, keeping your car as streamlined as possible is one of the easiest ways to save fuel. By removing unnecessary items and improving your car's aerodynamics, you'll reduce drag and improve your car's MPG, making it easier to save on fuel costs every time you drive. 8. Use cruise control on the highway. Our final tip is something simple but highly effective: using cruise control on highways. It's a feature many of us overlook, but it can significantly improve your car's fuel efficiency during long highway drives. Cruise control maintains a constant speed, which reduces the need for frequent acceleration and braking. This means your engine is working more efficiently, using less fuel as it keeps a steady pace. When you drive without cruise control, it's easy to speed up and slow down, which wastes fuel. But with cruise control, your car uses less fuel to maintain a constant speed, resulting in better MPG over long distances. Using cruise control on highways can boost your MPG by up to 14%, especially if you're driving for extended periods at a consistent speed. So the next time you're on the highway, turn on cruise control. It's an easy way to save fuel and get the most out of your car's performance. Conclusion. There you have it. 5 cheap and easy ways to improve your car's MPG. By maintaining your tires, using the right motor oil, keeping your engine tuned, lightening the load, and driving smarter, you can make a real difference in how efficiently your car uses fuel. Not only will these tips help you save money at the pump, but they'll also keep your car in top condition for the long term. Best of all, they don't require a huge investment. Just a little care and attention go a long way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great tips on car care and maintenance. Let us know which tip you're going to try first, and share your own fuel-saving tricks in the comments below. See you in the next video.